What's going on, guys? Clayton coming at you again from Two Way Direct. So today we're going to be talking about antenna care. Now, an antenna is a very integral part of a radio, mainly because it's a coiled wire that goes up here that's actually going to be the thing that's transmitting and receiving the signals. Now, an issue that can occur, especially when people carry a radio by the antenna, is that the wire is going to get kinks and bends in it, which means that your signals and your reception is going to be very spotty. So the easiest way to change out an antenna is very simple. You go for the righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Take it off. Now, one thing you want to make sure is that when you're taking the antenna off, you don't want to rip it back and forth as you take it off, because that's actually going to mess up the port that's inside. So once the radio and antenna are separated, you're going to screw it back together, just like that. And it's fixed. Visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893 to find out how we can help you replace all of your antennas. Look forward to speaking with you soon.